Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious apple pie bites. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 medium apples like Honeycrisp or Granny Smith, 1 can of refrigerated crescent roll dough, and half a cup of melted unsalted butter. Don't forget 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon to create that classic apple pie taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get our main components ready. Begin by peeling, coring, and slicing your 2 apples. Aim for 8 to 10 thin wedges or small, uniform chunks, about 1/2 inch thick, so they cook evenly. Next, carefully unroll your can of crescent roll dough. Separate the dough along the perforations into 8 individual triangles. This preparation ensures each bite is perfectly portioned and easy to assemble. It's time for the fun part, assembly. Take 1 crescent roll triangle and place 1 or 2 apple slices or a few chunks at the wide end. Now, carefully roll the dough tightly from the wide end, encasing the apple all the way to the narrow point. Repeat this for all 8 pieces. Arrange your rolled apple bites seam side down in a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, ensuring they are not touching too much. Almost done. Pour your half cup of melted butter evenly over all the assembled apple bites in the dish. Then, generously sprinkle the 1/4 cup of sugar mixed with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon over everything. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Serve these warm, delightful treats as is, or with a simple glaze for extra sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.